court's in session, and you've been found guilty of popping or damaging your Slam Series bag. So today, your sentence is to replace it with me. So let's jump into it. Now previously we have shown you how to do a performance bag replacement, and this is going to be different, so definitely watch the whole video and be sure to follow the steps so that you don't miss anything. So let's jump into the tools that you're going to need to get this done properly. First things first, grab yourself a hammer. As Jeremy Clarkson has told us, the hammer is the best tool that you can use in any situation. Next up, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. The smaller the tip, the better. That's what she said. A 19mm wrench, a 1/4 Allen, a 5/32 Allen, a small pick, a pair of gloves, plenty of lube, and your choice of drink in a Bag Riders pint glass. Tastes like rubber. All right, step one, we are going to need to remove the locking nut. Next up, remove the rebound washer from the rod. Then we're gonna remove the retaining clip. Remove the top hat assembly and move on to this lower plastic spacer. The easiest way to get this is to work your way around with the flathead, just trying to pull the edge up. Once you get the edge up, you can get the flathead in and just start twisting a little bit. And again, repeat this on all sides. This one's gonna be a little bit of a slower process. Don't rush it. Don't damage the plastic spacer. Now we can remove this piece. Oh, sticky washer. All right, now that everything on the top of the strut is removed, we're gonna flip it around and remove the 2 Allens that hold the bag in place on the bottom. There's 2 of these, they are 5/32. All right, now that these are removed, we're going to separate the bag. And now we can grab our new bag and place it on. Make sure that you orient the bottom of the bag so that your port is on the open side of the C-clamp. Now keep in mind it is going to be difficult to seat the bag down properly. Just take your time, don't use power tools, just give it a good push. You are going to need to maintain pressure while doing this. Grab your bolts, get one side started, at which point you want to start the other side. All right, and we can tighten these into place. First off, we're going to place the lower plastic spacer. Followed by the top hat assembly. The retaining clip. This is a difficult process. Trust me, it always takes me a couple tries to do it. Just go slow. The easiest way to do it is to pull out and feel like you're wrapping around the edge here. We're gonna replace the rebound washer, add the locking nut, and there we go. Grab yourself your drink, especially if it's out of a Bag Riders pint glass. You earned it. And there we have it. You've now successfully replaced an Airlift Slam Series bag, and you're ready to rip it down the road to your local car show and stunt on the haters. As always, to grab yourself a replacement bag, head over to bagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop. Wowee mama. Can I have my tools?
Hey, mama.
My tools? May I?